Here's how to convert to AAC. So if you got some audio files you want to convert to that AAC audio file type, we can just drag and drop into ConvertSave, which is a file converter I created with my brother, who's a developer, and it does images, video, and audio. So speaking of video, let's add a video to this that we're going to extract the audio from and convert that to AAC also. So we've got an MP3 in here and a video. We're going to scroll down, find that AAC file type, just select it and hit convert. It's going to save the AAC audio files next to wherever the original files came from and with the same name. So I basically was sick of uploading my media files to random sketchy websites and asked my brother if we could create this app that does images, video, and audio conversions on desktop offline on Mac and Windows. And we whipped it out, and here's ConvertSave, and you guys can actually use it for free in the description down below and also the pinned comment. I'll put a link down there that will take you to the page to use it for free. And so that's ConvertSave. Hopefully you guys enjoy it and find it as a utility that you would like to have around, or you just need it right now to do some quick AAC file conversions. I'll see you guys in the next one.